In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 4355 all-in-one printer that is printing the blank pages. Sometimes your printer starts to print blank or it is missing some ink. Even if it's missing black or color ink, then you can just follow this video. First is to go to the printer control panel. So there are a few reasons for that. First we will check the printer. Check the ink cartridge status. If you see the ink is there, that means we need to do the print head cleaning. Sometimes it's the clogged print head. If we are not using the printer for a long time, then we can just use this method. Go to the HP app. In the app, make sure your printer is connected. Scroll down and look for the option diagnostics and click on the print quality tools. In the print quality tools, select the option view all print quality tools, and then under the cleanup section select the option cartridge cleaning. There are two levels, level 1 and level 2. Always do level 1. Level 2 takes a lot of ink. So we'll just wait here. The printer will try to clean the clogged print heads and then it will print a diagnostic report, and we will see in that report what is the actual difference. Check this printed report. So right now we can see it has started to print, but there are lines on the printing and some black color has lines, even the color has the lines. Now go to the screen again, click on the option clean again and select level 1 again. So we can repeat it few times until we get the proper result for this printer. Let's check the print result. So we can see the print results has improved. If you want, you can do it more just to make sure like all the inks are working properly. Once everything is okay, click on the done and we can just go back. In case your printer is also printing lines and it's blurry, then you can click on the print head alignment. For that, it will print alignment page and then you can scan it.